Hello, my name is Sheila Reynolds, and I would like to give a brief testimony regarding Journey of Nature Cosmetic and Skincare line. I had the privilege and the opportunity to test the product. My skin responded so well to these products. The foundation, the mineral foundation that I tried was absolutely awesome. Actually, my skin began to glow. It was amazing how well her products worked with my skin. I don't do a lot of makeup at all, but when I tried her foundation and I tried the blush and the lipstick, everything responded so beautifully to my skin. And as you know, all of her products are handcrafted. They're all natural, so they're good for your skin. And I absolutely was able to tell that as it went on my skin. I also tried the body scrub, which was absolutely wonderful. My skin felt so smooth and so soft. So I want to encourage each of you listening to this testimony to try the Journey of Nature product. I promise you, you will not be